Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a install from Ashimary. I will have the box and all of the packaging and everything that came inside in this next clip. Okay, dolls, so this is the box that the wig came in, and as you can see, there is actually a melting band on the outside of the box. And then this is actually the back of the box, so this is the front. I went ahead and flipped it around, opened it up, and then you can see the wig on the inside in a plastic bag, which I went ahead and just took that out. And then I'm going to show you everything else. There's another melting band, so you actually get two, not one, but two. And then you also get some press-on nails. Both of these are Christmas themed because it was right after Christmas time when I received this package. Also a razor and an edge brush, also some lashes, a wig cap, and then this gorgeous robe. Super cute. Let's get into it. Okay, so now that I've showed y'all everything, it did come with this robe, which I actually think is great. I've never had a company include a robe, and this is actually embroidered on here. Like, it isn't just an iron-on. So that definitely gives quality, and I think this is great, like whenever you're doing your hair, especially like with something that you're gonna kind of wet down, put product in, even if you're just curling your hair and you're using hairspray or anything like that, to keep you from getting anything on your clothes. Or even if you're still in your PJs, you don't want to get that, you know, like all over you. So I think that's great that they actually included this robe, and I just decided to go ahead and wear it for the video so y'all could see it. Kind of would have been given better if I didn't have this underneath here, because my clothes are making it look kind of a little crazy, but it gives. So I like that. So yeah, this hair is really soft and really pretty, really easy to install. I didn't even have to cut any lace. Like, this wig definitely gives straight out of the box energy with just using a little bit of makeup, you know, just to conceal your part and everything. And a hot comb is your best friend, because this is all I used other than using a little bit of product on the wig. Since it is already a curly wig, I don't have to worry about curling it or anything like that. I just used a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to define any areas that needed a little bit more definition. But I didn't wet the hair down fully because I still wanted it to give that more fluffy, full look versus a fully defined wet look, if you know what I'm saying. So yes, stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see me install this wig. And let's not forget the star of the show, the actual wig itself, okay? So that was a quick clip, but y'all can see me putting the wig on and everything like that. So this is what the wig is giving fresh out of the packaging. Like I said, I did not bleach, pluck anything with this wig. It is literally fresh out of the box. Didn't even cut the lace because it's not necessary. Okay, so real quick, I just had to pop in and say this because I'm probably going to forget whenever I do my voiceover. But straight out of the pack, this wig is definitely giving bleached. Like, I can tell that they bleached the knots, and like, it's giving. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so once I put the wig on, it wasn't giving bust dickety down, so I had to go ahead and part that thing down the middle and get it nice and straight and centered. So I'm just using my rat tail comb to do so. Y'all know, real simple and easy. And you can go back in and repart if it's not as straight as you want it. I did take some oil and just put it on my wig. You can use whatever kind of oil you want. I was just using my Chi oil, and I just put a little bit on the palms of my hands and rubbed it into the top of the hair. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to really get that top part of the wig nice and flat so it can really be given what I needed to give. I don't want it to look like a wig. I need it to be nice and flat. I actually have a sew-in under this actual wig install, so I needed to get it as flat as possible, and it definitely gave as if I didn't even have a sew-in underneath this install. Okay, so I'm just going in and hot combing it down, and later on you will see that it will get even flatter after I spray a little bit more product on the hair, not any more oil, because I didn't want the wig to get greasy or anything like that. So I'm just hot combing the wig back and also hot combing it down to just start shaping the wig how I want it to look. And then I went back in and reparted because it still wasn't giving bust down. I needed it a little bit more straight, so I'm just parting it again, and then of course I'm going to chase that with the hot comb once again, just to lay that back down. So get y'all a hot comb. Like, I can't stress that enough. If you want to wear wigs, a hot comb is a must. So I'm just going to take some foundation powder and just place that on the front edge of the wig where the lace meets my forehead, just so that it can blend in even better. It was already giving, but I feel like this just kind of takes it to the next level to make sure that it's not going to look ashy or anything like that, because this will help it to blend with your actual skin tone. So just use some foundation powder that you already have that you would actually wear as a foundation. Okay, so I'm just doing that, and then I'm also going to get some concealer and just put it on a angled brush and just go down the parting area to make the part really pop out. It makes it nice and crisp and just gives that overall polished look to your wig. And then I go in with the hot comb once again. You can use some mousse or water or whatever you want to use. The hot comb definitely works to just blend it in even better. So real easy, not having to use any additional items, just using my hot comb mostly and a little bit of product. So I'm just going back in and hot combing everything. And then I decided that I wanted a little bit of face framing layers to just really tie the look together and give it a more salon like finish. Layers are always a must for me, especially a little bit of face framing layers really just makes your wig pop. So now I'm going to take some leave-in conditioner and I'm just going to spray this in the wig. This one is already mixed up. It comes like this in the bottle. This one is by Style Factor. I'm not sure if they sell it at the beauty supply stores, but I've had this for quite a while, so I'm just using something that I already had. But if you don't have a leave-in conditioner, you can just take a regular conditioner and a bottle of water, like a spray bottle, and mix that up really good. A little bit of conditioner, mostly water, and just use that as your leave-in. So yeah, I'm just spraying down the front area, mostly where I did the layers, and then just any other little sections that I felt like needed a little bit of moisture. And I also took some hairspray. This is the one by Fantasia, and I just sprayed a little bit on the top of the wig, and then I go back in and hot comb once again. With that product on the hair, it's going to make your hot comb work even better and get your wig super duper flat. Like, you can tell the difference versus me just using the oil and then me using the hairspray and the leave-in to really hot comb the hair once again and get it super flat. So then I'm just going back in, pushing it back, doing the same thing over and over, and just training the hair to go the way that I want it to go. Because even though it just came fresh out of the box, we don't want it to look like a wig that came out the box. You know what I'm saying? It still needs to be styled and given. So I just sprayed a little bit of hairspray on the front section where I like to push it back and hot comb it back to give that pushed back off of the face kind of look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's almost done. So yeah, I think I went back in with a little bit more leave-in conditioner just to further define any areas. But yeah, the wig is already given. I just sprayed a little bit on the ends of the hair just to give the hair a little bit more moisture. It also gives the wig a little bit more shine and gloss. Super cute, really nice. This hair wasn't super frizzy or anything like that. It just gave a nice look where it didn't look too wet. But yeah, this just overall defined the curls how I wanted them to be. So yeah, stay tuned for the outro so y'all can see everything else, and love ya. Tell me that this wig is not perfect and so easy, okay? Like, I gotta back up so y'all can see the length on this thing. Do y'all see that? This is a 28, okay? She is long. Ashimary did not come to play. period. Okay, dolls, so that pretty much sums up this video. I'm gonna do some more shots so y'all can see fully how this wig looks. This is the wig in its entirety. I'm gonna take the robe off just so y'all can get a view. Okay, so this is how the wig falls on me. This is only 28 inches, and whenever I pull it down, it's kind of giving, I guess it's giving 28. But yeah, stretched, it comes, you know, to my butt, but with it curly, it still falls right on top, which is nice. Because even with the curl pattern, it didn't really take away from the length. But yeah, I think this wig is so pretty. It's nice and full. It's so soft and airy, flowy, really lightweight. And yeah, the curl pattern is really pretty. It's a nice wave type of pattern. Really pretty. Let's get a close-up. Yes, can you see that? So pretty. And I did just cut a couple of layers like right here in the front just to face frame it a little bit, just to give it a little bit more character and salon style, if you know what I'm saying. Like, it gives that salon kind of look. I love this wig because you don't have to cut any lace or anything. I did not bleach this wig, pluck it, anything like that, and it still looks amazing out of the box. I can tell that they did bleach this wig. I'm not sure if it was pre-plucked, but it's not giving wig, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.